Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding a title and description onto a Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your form, and then you want to select the box over here on the right panel that says Add Title and Description. Go ahead and select that. You go ahead and add a title here. And then you can add a description if you want. And then once you've done that, that's pretty much it. You can drag them around by just dragging this top little six-dotted icon to change the order. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.